I begin with mixing the colors just above the horizon. The starting point is titanium white. Next in the mix is Old Holland Brilliant Yellow. With the number 8 synthetic flat top brush, I apply the color I just mixed. The next color I add to the mix is Old Holland Scheveningen Blue. If you don't have this exact same color available, you can use any greenish blue, for example Prussian blue, mixed maybe with a little cadmium yellow. An important reason for the intense effect of these colors is the fact they're complementary, in this case red and green. Complementary colors are opposite each other on the color wheel, and when placed next to each other, they're both intensified. The red becomes more red and the green more green. And although there is no question of a purely complementary contrast here, still the strong greenish character of the blue of the sky ensures they do reinforce each other. If you want to create a realistic painting, you need to pay extra attention to the edges, be it a vase or a cloud. Sharp edges are killing for a true-to-life painting, because in reality there is always a transitional area between the object, and for the occasion I'm calling a cloud an object, and its environment. My rag plays a crucial role in bringing out the clouds floating in front of the central shadow. The color of the underpainting now serves to suggest the dim light on these clouds. I use an old spalter to block in the shapes of the reflection. I deliberately take a wide, rather rough brush to keep myself from painting details at an early stage. I saved the highlights in the clouds for last. The top of the big cloud is still in full sunlight. This time I use lemon yellow instead of cadmium yellow. It's a bit lighter in itself, and mixed with a very small amount of vermilion red and a lot of titanium white, the result is a radiantly light color. To get the best result, you should use the paint undiluted. The last and perhaps most important rule: avoid perfectionism. It's only useful if you want to get sick of painting as quickly as possible.